Today, the 15th of February 2021, FII bought for 1,234 crores and DII sold for minus 1,049 crores. In past 5 days, FII bought for 5,229 crores and DII sold for minus 6,186 crores. This month, February 2021, FII bought for 20,701 crores and DII sold for minus 11,403 crores. In past 5 months, FII bought for 1,57,760 crores and DII sold for minus 1,26,305 crores. Three years trend on how FII and DII invested in cash market. All datas are in crore rupees. This graph shows 3 years trend on how FII index options and FII future investments are. All datas are in crore rupees.